Check 1, 2.
Gaa-zagaaskwaajimekaag. Hey, Victor, don't forget to talk slow. Because sometimes, if I get into character, that's all it really requires is to, just speak from the heart. Okay. I just gotta relax. Sometimes I get all wound up before we start filming. Alright, should we get started?
I think the camera's already on.
Oh, really? Oh, hey, BOOZHOO! Mino Gigajab, good morning. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. And over there, looking just cute, is the lovely and the talented Natasha. Look at BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello to the people.
BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone. How you doing? Good morning.
Yeah, it's just early as we film this. That's probably why we're so mellow.
I know, huh? I'm just waking up.
How's that coffee?
Oh, it's really good.
Today's Ojibwe word of the day is brought to you by the good people at what kind of coffee is that?
I don't know. It's a Keurig brand.
Is it like Our Family?
No, I think it's the expensive stuff.
You didn't buy it at Starbucks, did you?
No, what is this? I don't remember.
All right. Makare mashkiki wabu. Some coffee from we don't know where. So yeah, good morning. And I was thinking today's Ojibwe word. Let's just profile a reservation.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So, today's Ojibwe word of the day is Gaa-zagaaskwaajimekaag, Leech Lake. Gaa-zagaaskwaajimekaag. And I looked up on Wikipedia. So for people not around here, Leech Lake is located in northern Minnesota, like north central Minnesota. It's about what would you say, a 5-hour drive north of Minneapolis?
Yeah, I suppose.
Minnesota. It's a really cold part of the country, really. And Leech Lake, I just learned this. Leech Lake was established in 1934.
Oh.
And so when my grandpa was born, there wasn't even a Leech Lake reservation. My grandpa was born in 1913. So he would have been, 21 when Leech Lake was started. Anyway, so yeah, Gaa-zagaaskwaajimekaag, Leech Lake. And Leech Lake includes, like Cass Lake, Minnesota, Deer River, Onegum. Is Walker part of the res?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think, no. And what else? Ball Club, Bina. So Gaa-zagaaskwaajimekaag, Leech Lake Reservation, established in 1934, and home of the big fish. I think that's what people know Leech Lakers as. I think it's still it used to be is it still a restaurant? Oh,
I don't know.
Wherever that is, between Bina and wherever. There's a big fish building, and it used to be a restaurant. It might still be a restaurant, I don't even know. Anyway, all right, so this has been your Ojibwe word of the day. You want to add anything to this?
Do you want to thank the Patreon supporters?
Oh, yeah. Hey, before we sign off, I just want to say, chi miigwech, great thanks to the people supporting the show. We got a couple of new patron saints, Patreon supporters. So just want to say thank you so much. We couldn't do the show without you.
Yeah.
if you'd like to support the show, sign up. There's a link down here. And, Christmas is coming up. So don't forget to order some Ojibwe children's books by Michael Lyons. There's a link to Amazon, and you can get some books. He's got a whole bunch there, huh?
Oh yeah, there's a bunch.
All right. Well, hey, with that, I just want to say, thank you for watching. BOOZHOO! Nana BOOZHOO! The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Isn't that right, sweetie? Mm-hmm. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin! Minawa!
Oh.
All right. Short and sweet, right to the point.
That's right.
And for a little B-roll song.
Whoa!
That's what it was.
Na 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 na. Get up! Everybody's gonna move their feet. Get down. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, what? Kind of a masculine cough.